when concrete, its natural color, you would normally think, what would be your gut? If you didn't know anything about concrete, hadn't worked for it as long as you've worked with it, what would you say the normal color of concrete is with no pigment?
I would say it's anthracite, like the streets, like just a dark gray, depending on where you live though. The roads are different.
Yeah. The first thing that I thought was really funny that I learned about concrete is that if you don't mix pigment into it, it starts off pretty tan color. It's gray, but it's quite a warm gray. That anthracite, that kind of less toned, more kind of a gray that's leaning blue or cool, happens primarily from sun bleaching. So we're gonna cheat a little bit, and I said we weren't gonna add pigment, but we're actually gonna add a little bit of pigment. I'm gonna add just a bit of black. It's almost nothing.
Yeah,
but
not a lot.
I'm gonna add a little bit of black.